Ben Shephard and Cat Deeley took over from Holly Willoughby and Philip Schofield on This Morning earlier this week, and Ben has now broken his silence on the new gig. Ben Shephard, the new host of This Morning alongside Cat Deeley, has thanked fans for their lovely messages after his first week on the show. The pair took over from Holly Willoughby and Philip Schofield, who left last year. To mark their first week, Ben shared photos on social media showing fun moments with Cat during the show. The pictures included guests like Sir Rod Stewart and Jules Holland, who joined them for a laugh on the sofa. Ben said they spent the week laughing and eating delicious food. He penned, "Just been looking through the many great pics form at Ken McKay photo from this week's at This Morning at Cat Deeley, and I have done a lot of laughing and of course had some delicious food. I'm now fasting over the weekend to make room for more next week. Thank you for all your lovely messages." Ben issued 5 simple words as he concluded his post by adding, "See you Monday I hope." Cat replied saying she had so much fun. She also revealed she'll be trying a steak recipe inspired by guest chef Donald Scahan. Among the well-wishers was Susanna Reid, Shephard's former co-star from Good Morning Britain, who congratulated the pair on a fabulous week. "Well done you and at Cat Deeley. Brilliant first week. Keep up the good work Ben and Cat," one fan commented underneath Shephard's Instagram snap. With another adding, "Loved watching you both this week." However, not all are loving Shephard's new TV partnership. "Think Kate Garraway with yourself would be better and you know each other so well," one critic penned. Another wrote, "Love you Ben, but Cat is just not suited to This Morning, Josie or Allison or even better Kate Garraway." Just recently, Cat expressed her gratitude to the This Morning crew for an incredible first week. She also complimented Ben as the perfect co-pilot on this already joyous new journey. She posted this message next to a set of pictures showing the two presenting together. Ben is recognized for hosting the ITV quiz show Tipping Point and was previously a co-host on ITV1's breakfast program Good Morning Britain, GMB. He bid farewell to GMB in February so he could head up This Morning, a show he has filled in for Philip in the past.